you just get this like pulse. I'm very intrigued about this device. It's sold as a hair removal device, but actually it's a hair stopper. And this is a device. It comes with goggles, and this is the unit itself. So it has a beam over here, an LED display, a button, and then I think there's a vent over here in the back because this one gets really hot. You're supposed to have a very, very short cut for the hair, but this one makes almost blade-like shortcuts, so that I will avoid any bloody things. Every time you use it, you have to shave. And why do you have to shave? You have to understand how hair works. Imagine if this is the hair. And what you want to do is when you shave it, you basically shave it over here, and then it's keep growing, and you shave it over here, it's keep growing. So what this device does, this light over here in the front, what it does is that once you shave it this way, this device sends a pulse of light or a beam or an energy beam that goes to the root of the hair. And instead of just cutting it and keep growing, it actually is trying to kill that root. Once the root is dead, then the hair cannot grow anymore. So that's the idea behind it. So that's why every time you use it, you have to shave because the light has to travel through the hair. If your hair is like longer and then it just goes like this, the light just doesn't have anywhere to travel through it to burn the root. That's why it's a treatment more than a problem fixer. It's not something you fix right now. It's something that you fix in time and then it never comes back. You basically kill the way that the hair has an opportunity to grow. Because it uses beams of light, it can damage the skin. And it can damage the skin, especially if you're dark or brown or black. But if you're white, you don't have that problem. So the lighter your skin is, the better it works. So this is the area that I'm going to treat, like right under my arm. So what you have to do is first you have to wash this area very, very well. So you don't want to have any other chemicals. And with the cool goggles on, I'm ready to start. So I'm going to keep the unit in this mode, not the higher one. There's a detector over here. It knows when you put it against the skin, because if you just push this button, nothing happens. So it has a detector over here. So what we're going to do is you're going to put it against the skin and then you're going to push this button and it will just give a flash. And we're going to push the button. And I'm not sure if the camera captured, but you just get this like pulse. So here it is. I already used 50 pulses out of the billion that you get with it. For the result, you just have to come back for a different video because this is a treatment. So this takes a while to finish. You have to do it like every other day for weeks. So far I'm going with the treatment. I'm going to try to see how good it works in time, but that's going to be a different video. So far so good. I'm using it every other day, shaving before, use the device, clean the area, make sure you don't have any chemicals on it, and let's see how far we're going to get. Thanks for watching.